Hey everyone, and welcome back to another video. So this will be our first video where we're going to create our first project on this channel. So first of all, we're going to have the different options that the computer can choose from, and we will store it in the array inside the variable options. So it will be rock, paper, and scissors. And then we will allow the computer to choose randomly which item it would like. So import random. So we will need to import random whenever we use random. And then we'll store the item inside comp. So comp is equal to random.choice and then options. Next we'll have what the player chooses. So player is equal to input. We will be asking your turn. And then it will also print out what the computer chose. So computer and then plus comp. So if we run that, it'll have your turn. So if we chose paper, it'll have the computer chose scissors. So next we're going to have the if statements and conditions. So if player and the computer chooses the same thing, then we will have print draw. Next we'll have the other different possibilities. So elif player chooses something and the computer chooses something, then it will print something. So we will copy and paste and have 6 of these. So we will start off with rock first. So if player chooses rock and the computer chose scissors, so in this case the player would win. If the player chose rock and the computer chose paper, so in this case the computer wins. And then we're going to have if the player chose paper and the computer chooses rock, so the player would win. If player chooses paper and the computer chose scissors, then computer wins. And then if the player chose scissors and the computer chose rock, then computer wins. If player chose scissors and the computer chose paper, so in this case the player would win. So next, for it to be called and run, so we will store it inside the function named main. So define main, and then we will indent this whole thing since it's part of main. And to call the function, we'll call it here. So main brackets. So your turn paper, computer turn paper, so it's a draw. So what if we wanted to loop the whole game? So in that case, we will call the function again in here. So your turn paper, computer turn scissors, so computer wins. And then it will loop again asking your turn, and then we can continue on from there. So thank you for watching and see you in the next video.